What if you could turn down any road, any trail, any continent, with your home seamlessly following behind you? Welcome to the future of overlanding. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at the vehicle set to redefine the adventure van segment, the anticipated 2026 Mercedes Adventure Co. 4x4 camper van. This is not merely a van conversion. This is a factory-built expedition vehicle designed from the ground up for the most demanding explorers. Let's begin with the heart of the machine. The Adventure Co. is expected to be powered by a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid electric powertrain, a first for this class of vehicle. This system will likely combine a potent turbo diesel or efficient turbocharged gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor integrated directly into the transmission. Industry whispers point towards a combined system output in the ballpark of 400 horsepower and an earth-moving 600 pound-feet of instant torque. This immense power is not for winning stoplight races. It is for climbing mountain passes with ease and maintaining highway speeds fully loaded without breaking a sweat. The magic of this PHEV setup is its versatility. In all-electric mode, you can expect a zero-emission range of around 50 to 60 miles. Imagine arriving at a serene national park campsite in complete silence or navigating a sleepy town early in the morning without disturbing a soul. For longer journeys, the combustion engine acts as both a propulsion unit and a generator, eliminating any semblance of range anxiety. Charging is designed to be simple. Plug into a standard level 2 charger to replenish the battery in a few hours, or use regenerative braking and the engine to top it up on the go. This dual-power approach truly offers the best of both worlds. But power is useless without control. The Adventure Co. will ride on Mercedes' renowned 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, but heavily fortified for off-pavement travel. We anticipate a robust multi-link suspension with a significant lift, coupled with adaptive dampers that can be stiffened for on-road handling or softened to soak up brutal washboard roads. Look for advanced underbody protection, front and rear locking differentials, and a dedicated low-range transfer case for the most technical terrain. This van will confidently go places previously reserved only for heavily modified 4x4 trucks. The design philosophy is purpose-driven and unmistakably Mercedes. The exterior will feature a commanding presence with a high waistline, flared wheel arches housing all-terrain tires, and a distinctive front grille with the Adventure Co. badging. Functional elements like a high-clearance front bumper with integrated winch, rock sliders along the sides, and a full-height ladder to the roof will be standard. Up top, a rugged pop-up roof is expected, expanding the living space and often housing an additional sleeping area. The entire vehicle is crafted not just to look the part, but to withstand the relentless punishment of global exploration. Step inside, and the Mercedes-Benz heritage becomes immediately apparent. This is where the concept of rugged luxury is perfected. Surfaces will be a mix of hard-wearing, easy-to-clean materials and premium touches like marine-grade vinyl, brushed aluminum, and sustainable textiles. The cockpit will be centered around the latest MBUX Hyperscreen, providing all vital vehicle data, navigation with topographic maps, and control over the living quarters. Expect heated, massaging seats for the driver and co-pilot, because comfort is key after a long day on the trail. The living area is a masterclass in intelligent space utilization. The layout is expected to be highly configurable, but a classic rear kitchen, convertible dinette, and wet bathroom will be core options. High-efficiency appliances like an induction cooktop, a compressor refrigerator, and a diesel-fired heater for cold nights will be integrated. Ample storage solutions with clever securing systems for gear will be found throughout. Powering this mobile home is a large, dedicated lithium-ion battery bank that is charged by the vehicle's alternator, solar panels on the roof, and via shore power hookups. This ensures you can stay off-grid for days, even weeks, in complete self-sufficiency. Now for the question on everyone's mind, performance. While top speed will be electronically limited for safety, the real story is acceleration and real-world drivability. We estimate a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 7 seconds, which is astonishing for a vehicle of this size and weight. The instant torque from the electric motor provides explosive off-the-line power and confident passing maneuvers. The adaptive suspension will keep it planted through corners, feeling more like a luxury SUV than a tall van. On a rough track, the van's impressive articulation and traction control systems will keep all wheels driving, making light work of obstacles that would stop others in their tracks. Pricing for such a comprehensive, factory-engineered solution will reflect its capabilities. We anticipate the Mercedes Adventure Co. 4x4 camper van will start at a premium point, likely beginning in the high $180,000 to $200,000 range. While this is a significant investment, it includes everything: the cutting-edge powertrain, the rugged 4x4 hardware, and fully equipped, warranty living space, all from one of the most trusted names in automotive engineering. As for its arrival, the automotive world is eagerly waiting. Based on development cycles and spy shots, a full unveiling is most probable in late 2025 as a 2026 model year vehicle, with first deliveries reaching customers in early 2026. The 2026 Mercedes Adventure Co. 4x4 camper van is more than a vehicle. It is a key to unparalleled freedom. It represents the ultimate convergence of Mercedes-Benz luxury, rugged off-road capability, and sustainable, go-anywhere technology. It promises to not just take you to the ends of the earth, but to do so with refinement, power, and efficiency previously thought impossible. This is not just the next step in camper vans. This is a giant leap.